Don't you wish we lived in the future where we didn't have to sacrifice our coziness to figure out who's at that front door?
Well, the future is calling, and it's called RemoBell.
Yes.
RemoBell. It's a wireless video doorbell.
Quickly install on your front door, your porch, the garage you share with your annoying neighbor, or any other weird places you might want to keep an eye on. Installation is easy. Just screw this baby on like this, and you're good to go. Seriously, that's it.
Guess what? The perfect dress I ordered online is finally coming. And despite my zen-like patience, I can't help but check tracking info every few minutes and sprint towards the door every time I hear a sound. But now with RemoBell, false alarms, stolen moments, and crushed dreams are a thing of the past. It will let me know the exact second that my package arrives at the door by giving me a motion sensor notification. Quickly deal with the outside world, your way, on your time. Hey, well, I'll be out in a minute.
Yeah, no problemo. I'm just chillaxing.
No.
Hey, sweet and hot. Yeah. Oh, shoot.